Hi, Ma'am Sir. I'm Hiring Disa, 28 years old, from Katugay, Bagao, Cagayan. I'm a BS Criminology graduate. I'm a single mother and I have two sons. Their age is 5 and 3 years old. As of now, they're living with my brothers and they are the one who look and take care of them while I'm afar. I also applied as a helper here in the Philippines. My first employer, they have five members of the family, two adults and three children. My job was cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, and take good care of the three children and the five dogs. I finished my contract for 1 year, but they decide to migrate to other country. And to my second employer, for 4 years, they have three members of the family, which one is the 67 years old, disabled because of heart attack. Another one is 70 years old and a 7 months old baby. My job was cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, and changing the diaper of a senior citizen and take them a bath. The same to the 7 months old baby. I'm also the one who prepared the milk and feeding her while singing the Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And I'm also willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and adapt other environment. Thank you, Mom, Sir, for listening. And I promise, if you're gonna hire me, I'll do my best to perform my job accurately. Thank you and God bless.